The Jf-17 program is the story of a nation's drive to persevere and a service's commitment to honor its promise of safeguarding the skies that it has been entrusted with.
The block-free aircraft are envisaged to improve our combat punch even further through the incorporation of a targeting pod, an active VSAR radar, and additional arsenal of weapons.
The entire Jf-17 program bears the hopes, aspirations and hard work of two nations, each of which have brought it to fruition through their collective investment of every resource imaginable.
I am Air Vice Marshal Arshad Malik. I look after Jf-17 program in Pakistan Air Force. This aircraft is definitely a compatible high-tech aircraft, but at a very, very affordable cost for a country like Pakistan. I'm not a salesman, I'm a fighter pilot. I look after the operational and development aspect, but this is the hint which I can give you, that 1/3 price of any compatible fighter, this aircraft is good to go.
Target positively 4 contacts, hostile ship leader. Roger, Thunder 1 and 2 in position. Permission to shoot.
You are clear to shoot.